Hey darlings, and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyl Designs. So I wanted to come back in with a part 2 and show you how to do a very simple decal. Sometimes less is more, so I only went with the name for this tumbler. So let's jump right in and I'll show you all the steps. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So here we're going to go ahead and do the name, and I've chosen Sweet Hipster that I think would be absolutely perfect for this Lisa Frank inspired tumbler. So all we need to do is I've already gotten it sized up. So now I want to go up here to letter space and click the down arrow to bring the letters closer together. Perfect. So now we're going to go down here to the bottom right and we're simply going to weld those together. Now they are all as one, and I do want to resize this for the placement on the tumbler. So I've already clicked the unlock button so that I have control over the size and width that I actually want it to be. And just like that, we are ready to make it. So this is going to be on a really pretty blue, like tealish aqua color vinyl, Oracle 651. So this image does not need to be reversed. So make sure you place the color vinyl that you want to use right onto your mat. And at the bottom right hand corner, click continue. And now we are ready to proceed to load the mat into the Cricut machine and let this cut. Okay guys, here we are, and we are now ready to place Ashley right onto the tumbler. And I've already got it all weeded out and ready to go. We're just going to pull back the backing. And then we're going to line this up exactly where we want it to go. We're just going to kind of eyeball it. This looks awesome. This aqua color was the perfect choice to kind of pop off on the purple. So we're just going to make sure it's down really well. Pull back the contact paper. And it is now ready for epoxy. Hey darlings, and we are back and we are ready for the final coat of this epoxy for this tumbler, and then it is officially completed. So I already have up my epoxies already mixed up and ready to go. So we're just going to go ahead and start applying it to the tumbler. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 2. Super fun. Can't wait to see you next time. Please do not forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, as well as hit the bell button, and don't forget to hit the all so that you can see more and upcoming tutorials. Thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you next time.